Good day, everyone. Learn how to increase the font size in Samsung phones or any other Android phone. So, to increase the font size in Android, in Samsung, just go to the settings and there you will find anything which says display. Because font is something related to display, we will click on that and then scroll down. You will find font size and style. Now, from here, you can change the style from here. You can use the Samsung one or any other thing, whichever you like. And once you are done with this, you can also use the bold font. And from here, you can increase the slider and you will see the changes as well, like how big it will look in your screen. All right. So this is how you can increase or decrease the font size in Samsung phone. Subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.